Happy sunny day in Seattle. This is definitely a rare occurrence and I'm feeling really well rested and refreshed, so I'm very excited to restart the vlogs this morning. This morning I did a full comprehensive skincare routine, so the skin is feeling good. I feel like I've also finally perfected like the things in the skincare routine that really help to target the issues that I have, so that's great. I am going to make some breakfast. We're about to go grocery shopping, so I wanted to make sure that we eat up some of the leftover things, but on the menu today we have avocado toast and bacon and eggs. There has been so much going on. Kevin is back to his residency schedule and it is his last 3 months as a junior, which is very exciting because once he is a senior, he will not have to take primary call. So when he's on call, instead of being the first person that is being called, he's going to be the senior, which means that he won't have to go in unless the junior needs help essentially. And he does work in a specialty where they do need to do surgery overnight relatively frequently, and I honestly don't know that it will be that different, but I think it is definitely a little bit more peace of mind. The other difference is that when you are on primary call, you're usually on call for 12 hours at a time, and over the weekend you could be on a 36-hour call, but the senior call shifts are usually, they can be up to 4 days long because you are not the first person being called, so there's that. The other kind of really exciting discussion is that over the last couple of years we have never really spoken about Kevin's specialty because, you know, he's still learning, and out of respect to him and just everything going on, we felt it was best to keep that private. But now that he's gonna be a senior, he thinks that he might be ready to share soon, which is so exciting.
Oh, it looks so close when I close my eyes. So blur the map, I ignore the signs, but feeling far away. 2 years in a couple of days. I just wave my hand to the world outside like it's all.
We're gonna mash the potatoes, the avocado right onto the avocado toast. And then what you can do to make it like look cuter is you can do like a little checkered pattern, and then it looks very cutesy. I usually give Kevin the ones that are like lathered in avocado, and then mine are just like a thin layer of avocado.
Are we eating that for lunch and dinner too? We have to eat a lot of avocado today.
Yeah, I'm gonna have an avocado smoothie, my favorite. Kevin hates the avocado smoothies I make, which is ridiculous because I posted it on the internet and everyone said it was so good. You're the only one.
I don't like avocado smoothie. I told you I went to an avocado festival or some stuff a long time ago, and they were not good either.
Yeah, whatever. I don't know if y'all are like this, but I feel like in our relationship we're like constantly roasting each other, but I think it's like cultural. We grew up in dynamics where like that is just normalized, and I don't think either of us find it offensive. Do you find it offensive, babe?
Yes.
Babe!
Yes.
You find it offensive?
So offensive. I'm so sad. I go to bed crying every day.
See, Kevin always acts like, can you just give me a serious answer for once? Wait, can you guess which plate is yours and which plate is mine?
This one has more avocado and more bacon.
Yes, that one is yours.
Thank you.
Oh my god, Lily. Lily, that is not a toy. Okay, cheers. Eat your breakfast. Okay, big jump. Big jump. In case you're wondering what Lily does all day. Oh my god, I love that she like brings it down here. Oh my god, Lily. No, she's gonna go up there and she's gonna catch it. Ready? Whoa! But you know what the craziest part of all this is? Is that this is all secured on the wall just with like 3 pieces of packing tape. I'm still waiting for the day for it to like come crashing down, but she just loves the way this thing dangles. So I recently finally caved and got an Owala, and I have to say I can finally understand the hype. I was shook. First of all, it has a handle, and then when you pop this open, like this port is a straw. Not me like I was like pouring it into my mouth, which you can do, but it's a straw, so all you have to do. My brain cells literally couldn't. Kevin had to explain it to me. But isn't it just so cute? Like this color is very aesthetic. I just ordered it off of Amazon, and then when you refill it, you can see the little straw in there. I just feel like it's a little more hygienic too, because like this one you can properly wash. The like Stanley cup, that straw gets so nasty that this makes me feel better. Okay, I have my painter's outfit on, aka a shirt that I don't care if we get dirty, because for the first time today we are going to tackle a home improvement project that requires painting, which is very exciting. We did go to Lowe's yesterday to get shade matched or whatever. Not me saying shade match like a foundation shade match, but it was kind of expensive. I feel like I used to do this with my parents all the time, and the paint was definitely not $50, but this jar was. Thankfully, most of the colors in our home are this color, and so we did get a gallon just so we can use it over the next couple of years. So this is the thing that we are painting today. It is this railing that separates our kitchen from the kind of stairwell. But the issue with this is that it is black, and I really don't like this color. So we are going to be painting it white in color. All right, let's do this. We don't have tiny paintbrushes, but we do have makeup brushes. So I think this one looks the most paintbrushy. Lily, this one. So I'm gonna try this and see. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of paint. Just try it on the base here and see. Just paint the screws first. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. The whole thing. Hey.
You want to start from the top because it's gonna drip.
Whoa. Can you do a vibe check from afar and see if it's the vibes? I am so shook by these results. Like, this looks so good. I don't know if you guys can tell. I need to like put you guys afar so you can see the whole image, because I feel like the black was really making that space look even smaller than it already is, and it's just kind of a small, tight space to begin with. So, I can't believe we didn't do that sooner. We've been here for like 3 years. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely looks like a homemade job. Like, if you look closely, we're gonna need to like sand this down or something. There's definitely a couple tumors, but don't worry. The tumors are all benign. It'll live. I made the mistake of like, you know, it's like 3D, so you need to do like all 4 sides, and I initially only painted 3 sides, and then I realized that I didn't paint the bottom. It's currently dinner time, so Kevin is making us cucumber salad.
That's it.
I like your sweatshirt, by the way. Can you show people the back? Eras tour. Are you sad that you missed the Eras tour in Singapore?
No, I went already. I don't need to go more than one.
The surprise songs, though. Chef's kiss. When I went in Singapore, the surprise songs were mashups, and so the first one was Mine X Starlight, which 2 songs that I love, and then the second one was I Don't Want to Live Forever X Dress. That one had me passing out. Like, I thought she was gonna sing I Don't Want to Live Forever the whole way through, and even that would have been enough for me, but then she laced in Dress, and I was like, if I ever get to hear a rep surprise song, actually I did hear a rep surprise song on our first night, but it wasn't the rep surprise song that I wanted, so I am thankful that it was this one.
Wait,
I
nice.
actually don't think she's sung Call It What You Want. Not Call It What You Want. Right Where You Left Me. She hasn't sung Right Where You Left Me since Santa Clara, and I don't know if she will. Before she sang it, she said that it was a very wordy song and she had to practice, and so maybe that's why she hasn't sung it again.
It's okay. I'm getting the hang of residency maybe after like 4 years. Still very stressful. But I think the stress is very different. Before I just wanted to survive. Now I'm like actually trying to like learn how to do the surgeries and stuff.
So tomorrow, are you going to be doing some new surgeries you haven't done before?
Yeah, maybe I will become an expert. We don't do the surgery very often. Tell them what surgery it is. It's kind of hard to explain.
This is my favorite cucumber salad. Kevin's going to tell you how he makes it.
I don't know. I just add a bunch of stuff.
My favorite pastime is just staying home. Like literally staying home is my favorite thing to do in the entire world. So I felt like it gave me a lot of stress because, oh my god, all I do is stay home, but that's exactly what I want to be doing. It's voluntary. But I think if I had like my ideal home, I would just spend my entire life just trying to perfect all the little things, because life is an infinite loop of not ever being able to finally finish cleaning everything. Okay, so I just made dinner. We have this noodle from my friend Tiffy Cooks. She has this incredible page where she makes videos about cooking, but these are actually her brand's noodles as well as condiments. I've already tried this scallion sauce and the chili oil. Both are absolutely delicious, and this time I'm going to be following their website recipe because I honestly don't know what the perfect ratio is. Last time I just kind of eyeballed it and it was good, but I feel like I want to try the actual recipe. I think that's like 3 teaspoons, right?
That's like
3 teaspoons, and then 2 of the shallot oil, and then 1 of the scallion sauce. Okay, 2 tablespoons of shallot oil. I feel like I should try to get some of the shallots. Maybe a little more. Oh my god, the shallot oil, this smells freaking amazing, you guys. And then 1 of this last one. I don't think there's anything at this. This is honestly a lot of noodle. This is 2 of the packs. You wanna come try it and see if it's to your liking? Okay, let me taste test it and see if there's enough flavor. I think you're gonna say it needs more flavor, but I don't know which one of it needs. I'm gonna do the, I feel like you can't ever add too much. My number 1 pet peeve is like when you have a leaky container and then it like leaks over the bottom, and then your refrigerator has like the leaky stuff all over it and it's kind of gross. Okay, noodles are ready. Dang, that looks good. Okay, so over here we have Dr. Kevin, who is studying for his surgeries. He has a notebook and pen over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Are you nervous?
no.
Really? I thought you said you were nervous.
What's the worst that can happen? The patient dies.
Good morning, besties. It is currently 6 a.m. We're about to head to work. I'm gonna get all my stuff together and then let's go. Here's everything in my little lunch pail. We have my water bottle, of course, and then we have Pocky and a banana. This is what I have for breakfast. And then oatmeal. And finally for lunch, we do have the chicken tikka masala. This is the frozen one from Trader Joe's. It's super easy to heat up and it's delicious. And I always bring a bag of green tea because tea is an absolute must in this household. I have my giant super puff on because it is very cold outside still. I think usually about May is when it starts to feel a little bit better in the Pacific Northwest, but right now it's still very chilly. I have my big tote bag and then my lunch pail. I am ready to head out. Hello. Okay, I just finished up my shift. We are going to head home. Actually, I'm not hungry now, but I know I'm gonna be hungry later. I might just honestly go to Whole Foods and pick up something easy. Honestly, I'd be down to cook, but I don't think we have a ton of groceries in the house right now. Today was a 10-hour shift, which was great because it's a little bit shorter than a 12-hour shift, and 10s are probably my favorite. I feel like it's the perfect sweet spot. As you guys know, Kevin is finishing up residency in I say finishing up as if it's happening anytime soon. It's not really that soon. We still have at least 2 more years, and where we go after that or where we remain kind of is a mystery depending on what Kevin wants to do and what is available at that time. Most of you guys know a physician job, when you apply for jobs, the process is a little bit different because, as you can imagine, if you have to prepare for a physician's salary, you kind of know that in advance, or if you know that a physician is leaving. So instead of applying for a job kind of right before, you know, normally you apply to a job, I don't know, it takes like a month or so, maybe 2 months, 3 months at most. Physician jobs, you can usually apply a year, sometimes even 2 years in advance, and they know that they will have an opening. And then the negotiation phase takes a long time because for a physician, they have to negotiate the elections rate, how much they make, malpractice insurance, how much PTO, everything is kind of up to negotiation, and you kind of bring your best offer and hope that they will do something similar to that. We have a party! Hi, Lucky. Hi. Okay, so first thing when I get home, they both usually get a little treat. So, Lucky gets his greenie. Sit. Sit. Good sit. Good boy. Okay, Lily, you want a treat too? Okay, Lily, sit. Sit. Good sit. Lily, spin. Good spin. Okay, Lily, stand. Good stand. Good job, Lily Beans. Something exciting is that we did get one package while it was gone. It always feels like a Christmas present when I come home and there's something waiting for me. But let's see what's in here. Wanted to make sure you have our recent viral chocolate bronzing sticks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is from a brand called Too Faced, and they actually came out with bronzing sticks recently. But I have been using the same bronzing stick from Rare for some time now, so I'm very excited to try these new ones. It comes in 4 different shades, and today I am going to do an everything shower routine and just like take care of my hair and all that jazz. I've been honestly doing it more frequently, and I can definitely feel a difference in the texture of my hair. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just very, very smooth, which is exactly what I want. I'm kind of debating putting purple shampoo in my hair today, but I don't know if I feel like dealing with that right this second. You can really use any sort of conditioning mask. This is the one I'm using from Grow Us. I really, really like this one, but oh no, I should have done my scalp one first. Okay, I'm gonna do my scalp treatment first. So this one is from Drunk Elephant. It's the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. For those who don't know, I struggle with really bad dandruff, and so having some sort of scalp scrub is very helpful for me. So I usually just put this in my scalp, and it feels kind of like beads. I'm gonna just slack this in here. I just kind of generously apply it in my scalp, and then I make sure it's evenly distributed. I'm gonna show you guys the full routine today for my skincare, my hair care, because I feel like it's been a while since I've done that, and I don't know that anyone cares that much to watch, but I really enjoy doing this routine. There is everything that I had. Oh no, it's on my scrubs. It's okay. It's gonna go in the washer anyway. So then once I do that, I basically just roll it back up into a bun and tie it back up. We are going to let this sit for 10 minutes. It's so funny because literally after I took this shower, my social battery ran out and I was unable to continue speaking to the camera. By the time I get home, I'm usually pretty hungry. And one thing I really love making in the winter is this instant soup that I actually got in Japan. This one is called potachu, and the other one I like is a corn soup. My favorite part is that they have these little croutons in there that are very crunchy. I usually don't have time to check my emails at work, and so when I come home, I'm pretty much catching up on everything and just going through my inbox. And after a shift, you best believe I'm gonna do a full comprehensive skincare routine. I always start off with some sort of facial mist and then tap this in. The SK2 essence, in my opinion, is worth every single penny. I feel like it really has helped with fine lines and also really does lock in moisture. Next up, I'm trying these really fun Korean toner pads, and I always leave the leftover for my neck because I do not want to be 60 and my neck looks completely different than my face. Now we're actually going to skip to hair care first. I love this scalp serum from Way. This is actually my second bottle, and I already have a third bottle purchased. I used to have this like weird bald spot specifically on the left side of my head, and I swear ever since I've been using this, that spot has gone away. We're gonna go in with glycolic acid on the scalp because, as you guys know, I struggle with dandruff, and this just helps with cell turnover. And then finally a little bit of leave-in conditioner as well as hair oil. My hair has been bleached multiple times, so this just really helps to make sure that it stays healthy. And fun fact, it's actually not good to completely air dry your hair, so I always make sure I blow dry it to about 70-80% dry. Okay, back to the skincare routine. Recently, I've been obsessed with Glow Recipe. This toner has really helped to tighten my pores. We're also gonna go in with some niacinamide, which if you know, you know, this is a holy grail product. And then here are the two things I really love from Drunk Elephant. The first thing is the vitamin C. Everybody needs a vitamin C to brighten up their dark spots. And then the polypeptide cream, the tried and true. I've used this on and off for so many years, but it's currently my moisturizer of choice. And finally, going in with a Dr. Jart eye stick. I just started using this, so I don't have a full review for you guys just quite yet.